Guided by the vision for balanced stewardship, CREP identified 3 significant dimensions to assess: aquatic, terrestrial, and sociocultural. These dimensions are further divided into key elements distributed throughout the Clavey watershed. These elements, or dynamic indicators, address both the natural and human dimensions. The natural elements include water, riparian and aquatic habitat, plant and animal communities, and the effects of fire. Recreation, such as camping, fishing, horseback riding, hiking, and off-highway vehicle riding, are included in the sociocultural elements. Together, they indicate the condition, complexity, and dynamic nature of the Clavey environment. Through interviews with local stakeholders, resource managers, and the gathering of field data, a snapshot of the watershed's existing condition and environmental trends became clearer. From this snapshot, the CREP Watershed Assessment Project was able to look at the desired condition for the Clavey's many resources and identify recommended actions distributed across a number of indicators. Recommended actions are defined by CREP as those specific ecosystem management activities that would result in the greatest movement of the existing condition towards desired conditions in the Clavey watershed. Some of the recommended actions are immediate and aimed at improving resource degradation, while others are long-term and aimed at monitoring resource change and adapting management strategies accordingly. The biological and social complexities of the Clavey watershed require consistent vision over time. Although the recommended actions will help align the watershed's present state with the vision for sustained health, it is only a piece of the project. The evaluation of costs and benefits, prioritization of projects, and the identification of data, manpower, and funding needs are also addressed in the final CREP Clavey River Watershed Analysis Report. A dynamic watershed is one that constantly responds to change while performing ecological services such as absorbing and filtering water, exchanging oxygen for carbon dioxide, and providing a richness in biological diversity that can counter outbreaks of diseases and rebalance itself. Keeping the Clavey River watershed healthy for multiple uses while adapting to stress like climate change and population pressures is a daunting task. Yet the Clavey's ability to stay healthy and renew itself is our ecological immune system and is directly tied to the carrying capacity of the land. The Clavey River watershed is both a fragile and resilient landscape. Its sustained resiliency is exemplified in the Clavey's old-growth aspens, the largest quaking aspen stands in the Southern Sierra. Continued weakening of its health, however, can have a snowball effect. Problems like areas with serious fuel loads, unauthorized and non-maintained OHV routes, and road sedimentation into Clavey waterways can tip the balance and cause the acceleration of resource loss over time. The Clavey River Ecosystem Project Collaborative and its assessment report will help guide the Stanislaus National Forest management of the different ecosystem stresses of the Clavey watershed and multiple uses within the Clavey landscape. For the Central Sierra Miwok and others living in the nearby foothill communities, the Clavey River watershed is their inheritance. This inheritance is our responsibility to protect and enhance for our children, grandchildren, and the children that follow.